How to turn off notifications in Snake Rivals. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn it down. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right top, you can see the settings icon. Simply tap on settings. So now, we in this settings interface. Here, you'll be able to find different options and can even customize it. Here on the left bottom, there's a section of notification. Simply tap on setup. So this is the place where you can turn it down. Here on the top, simply tap on it and uncheck this box. Here there are different categories too. So it's up to you and the way you want to customize. At last, tap on save and it's all done. So the notifications are turned down. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.